Hi everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. There's a gale blowing in Blackpool, so I've retreated into the centre of town for my lunch. Oh goodness me, it's really blowing a gale. And today we're going to do Fish and Chip Friday and we're going to go to Quilligans. I told the chap here that I was going to come back at some point, at some later date. So that's if I've not blown off my feet by then. So make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and make sure that you've signed up for your email newsletter. And we're going to go and have some lunch and see if we can do it before we get blown away. Oh. So that's fish and chips and a diet coke. Well, why does Coke always taste nicer? Cheers. Let's see what this tastes like. Friends of mine always used to meet for on a Friday for our coffee, and then she used to come into Blackpool and meet family. So these are skinny fries, because I fancy skinny fries. To put some salt on. I'm hoping that today you'll be able to actually hear me, because I've got meals at I've got meals at camera. Would you like the captions? Beautiful fresh white fish. That's a jar. Is there anything nice? There you go, guys. The fish and chips is like 50. So this is one of the buildings underneath the Victor Garden. It's called the Empress Building. It's been here some years, I'm not sure exactly how. It was originally converted very tasty. Fish is beautiful. Nicely cooked. Very, very, very hot. It's ages since I did the fish and chips. I'll leave this and rejoin in a minute. Well, that was lovely. That was very nice. As you can see, I've eaten just about all of it. Regular viewers will know that I don't normally finish my peas. Coke definitely tastes nicer out of the glass bottle. And other than 2 soggy chips, which have gone soggy because I left them while last, and a tiny little bit of batter, I've eaten it all. So I've really enjoyed that. I'm watching what they're bringing out to everybody else. So that was $8.50 for the fish and chips, and I think the Coke was $2.85. So how many would we give that out of 10? I think that's a good 8.5, 9. Oh, that's fizzy. Shouldn't have drunk that so quickly. So, hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you've enjoyed that as much as I did. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've signed up to visit Fylde Coast. And if you've enjoyed it as much as I did, give this video a like as well. And hopefully, fingers crossed, the sound will be better this time as well. See you later. Bye for now.